A powerful storm has pounded Istanbul and other parts of Turkey, killing at least 4 people and wreaking havoc in the city of 15 million, reports said. The victims included a woman who died in Istanbul's Esenyurt district, where strong gusts tore off part of a roof that landed on her and her child, the state-run Anadolu Agency reported. The child was injured but survived. The Istanbul governor's office said 3 other people were killed in the city, including a foreign visitor. 19 people were injured, including 3 who are in serious condition, it said.